A retired judge of the Supreme Court of India can resume practice in the no court in the territory of the Union. Niti Aayog is an advisory body. The first citizen of India is President of India. June 25, 1975 was significant date in the history of the nation because emergency was declared on this date. The chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of Parliament is appointed by Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The Sarkaria Commission has laid down certain guidelines for appointment of governors. Find the odd man out. He should have travelled extensively in and out of India. The legislature of the USA is also known as Congress. The original constitution provided for 7 judges besides the Chief Justice for the Supreme Court of India. The type of government adopted in the Indian Constitution is parliamentary. Fundamental duties are duties of citizens towards society and fellow citizens. The President of India can be removed from office only by a special procedure. The 7 union territories occupy roughly 0.33% of the total area of the country. The net proceeds of taxes are distributed between the center and the state on the recommendations of the Finance Commission. The pledge for the independence of the country was taken all over India for the first time on January 26, 1930. The Cabinet is jointly responsible to the lower chamber of Parliament in the United Kingdom. The name of the lower chamber is House of Commons. The modern state is welfare state. Under the Cabinet government, the right to reshuffle the Cabinet rests with the Prime Minister, who administers the oath of office to the Vice President of India. President of India. The presidential ordinance remains in force for 6 months. Usually, the head of the state dissolves the parliament before its term expires on advice of the Prime Minister. In which one of the following countries the Supreme Court cannot declare a law passed by the federal legislatures as unconstitutional even if it violates the country's constitution? Canada. In which one of the following countries the members of the upper house of federal legislatures are nominated for life? Canada. Article 32 makes or gives the Supreme Court of India the protector and guarantor of fundamental rights. Equal pay for equal work for both men and women has been laid down in the Indian Constitution as one of the directive principles of state policy. Under the Indian Constitution, right to freedom of speech and expression is denied to members of the armed forces.